we're gonna be installing some LEDs in the charger, under the door, some for the car. I got some panels that I'll be installing on the floorboard. These other ones are going to be going in the inside. Let's get started with these. Alright, so first thing you do, you get down here. You kind of want to pop this thing out. Pop right out. Try to do this one-handed. You gotta want to push it out like so. The thing is hot, so watch out, don't burn yourself. Bear with me, guys, I'm trying to do this one-handed. You get your new one, make sure it's flipped up downwards. Get your old bulb, put it away. Get your new one. Look it at the bottom first. And then pull it up to the top. If it doesn't work, reverse it. Let's see if I can set this down here. I think that'll work. Okay, that one's gonna work with that. There you go. That one's done. See, it's bright. And you just pop it right in. The rears are exactly the same. Just make sure your LED is facing downwards. You don't necessarily need to unplug this whole thing out because I think it's a waste of time. I just like to put it in there like this. As soon as I touch the other end, it should light up and you're good to go. Just hook it up, it's plugged in, it's working. Alright, you're just gonna have to pop this down here with the screwdriver. At least that's what I'm using. It's popped out. Push it on one end and it'll come right out. Just don't burn yourself because these bulbs are hot. You may want to use a glove. I'm not using one because I'm too lazy to look for one. Anyways, you get your new bulb. Make sure it's facing downwards because when you put it in, if it's facing up, it's not gonna be bright enough. So make sure it's facing downwards. Hook it up at the bottom. As soon as you touch the other end, it'll light up. So now you see it's working. And then you just pop it right in. And it's done. Easy as that. Alright, once again, for these in the back, I got these tools that I'll be using to get this out. Instead of having to take all of this off, what I do is I get in this crack right here. I try to just work my way in there. I push that. I know it's hard to see because the light's on. I'll try to pull what I can in, push that button, stick this flathead in there, and push it out, and it falls right out. See? And then what I do to get that bulb out, I'll use this little thing right here and I'll push it out with this. But I'll be using a cloth, that way I don't burn myself. So give me a second. Oh, there it is. It's kind of fucking hot. So. Then I get my new bulbs. Oh, that's not the right one. Then I get my new bulbs, my new LEDs. And I'll just place it in there so it lights up. There we go. Just push it in there. You're good to go. And then you just pop this sucker right back in. Put it in there. And you're done. put things in. That's it for that. All you gotta do is make sure you go plug it back in. Make sure everything's right. Make sure you tape everything off right. You wire everything good. Match up everything. We'll plug it up and see if it lights up. Put you down here so you guys will see if it'll light up when I plug it in. And we have light. Just like that. You basically take off the old piece. Some of you guys won't have two because some cars just don't come with both. This one lights up when I'm driving at night, so that one stays on. This one only comes on when the door is open. And so you basically just cut that out. I'll leave the link to what I ordered for this LED panel, and it comes with everything you need to wire it with. Basically you need to just cut the old panel out, whatever it is, and then you just wire it. It's common sense. Just connect what you need to connect with. The red, you know, black and white, whatever. And then make sure you tape it off. Make sure everything's connected right before you put everything back in. Connect it, and it should be working. Now you have a bright LED panel instead of that little one, and it's not amber either. It's the white one. So I'll leave everything in the description below on what I ordered on behalf of getting this project done. Other than that, that's basically it. No, I didn't show the middle part much, but there's a lot of other videos out there that show you how to do everything else. Let me know if that was helpful at all for any of you guys. And make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Do whatever you have to do if this was helpful. If you need help with anything, you can message me on here or message me on my Instagram. It'll be posted below. So now let's see. There we go. That's a whole lot better. And I'll do a video at night. Should be a lot brighter. This is the only thing that I know. Honestly, OCD did a video on this one, on disconnecting these bottom ones. That's the only thing you can do so far, is disconnect them. I didn't disconnect them for now because I don't have a T10 screw, so I'll be doing that later. Other than that, everything else is done. The bottom ones are done, the door ones, and also the rear ones and the back trunk. That's basically it. Until next time, guys.